the kids. I mean, for this so talagang kinuha nila only the best. So, syempre napakalaking karangalan ng trabaho sila.
How different ito audition naging role?
Well, medyo malayo. Mag-ibang mundo talaga sila sa Maria Mercedes. Dito, I play Papa Plus girlfriend. Si Jin. I play isa siyang
Wala, hindi ako nagsabi. Nag-miss lang ako.
siya ay nagtrabaho sa industry.
Drama ko lang yun.
At yung mga panahon na medyo lost si Jin, hindi niya alam kung ano gagawin niya sa life niya, andun ako. So, na-witness ko yun.
Photoshoot na lang.
Nikki, how does it feel na parang mas kinikilala ka na rin nila ngayon no? Bilang magaling na actress?
Siyempre nakakasaba ng puso kasi hindi ko naman talaga pinangarap yun. Hindi ko naman talaga siya ginawang goal na nag-umpisa naman talaga bilang singer. But para mapabilang at makatrabaho ko nga sila, sobrang laking karangalan. And I'm very, very happy to be given this chance to learn also from these great artists.
Pero may expectation ka ba na makareceive ng iba't ibang parangal bilang actress?
Ako naman ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho ko. Gusto ko lang nga, ini-enjoy ko lang siya. I'm just very passionate about it. If I happen to get recognition along the way, bonus na lang po yun. Hindi siya yung main goal. Ang main goal ko po talaga dito maibahagi yung kwento ng marami nating mga kapamilya sa pamamagitan ng pag-arte.
Nikki, you will be very busy. May time pa ba tayo for your personal life, love life? Lalo na ngayon, bago pa lang.
Pag gusto, magagawa ng paraan yan. Pag gusto mo, hahanapan ng oras.
Pero nag-update din sa business na
it's happening. Kasalukuyan siyang I'm very happy with where I'm at. I try to keep it as private as I can. But yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I'm okay.
Nakuha ni pa niya ang yes mo.
Ay, may ganon. Nakakaloka. Tsaka na natin
official na ba?
Mga ganyang bagay, diba? Basta, right now I'm dating and I'm happy. I guess, exclusively dating, if you will. But, that's as far as...
Nick, assurance sa mga fans mo na yes, you're happy and you moved on.
I can only really say, so much. Siguro naman, I really appreciate those who are concerned, pero nakaisang taon na rin tayo, in fairness. So, siguro naman that's enough time for me to have healed. And okay na yun, pag iniisip ko nga parang tagal na rin, ang layo na. And ganun na talaga ang buhay, you move on from things like this, and it'll feel like it never happened sometimes. And, that's the grace of God in all of this.
Nikki, you've been very napaka-graceful yung pagdaan sa healing process. There are a lot of other people who speak out and maybe go through about it in certain ways. Paano mo nagagawa yun?
Well, people just deal with challenges like this in different ways. I just chose not to dwell on it and maybe not open windows for many other interpretations. Kasi at the end of the day, ako naman yung nagdaan dun Ako naman yung nag-struggle with it. So parang it's only fair na i-keep ko na lang siya to myself.
Do you think part of that healing will ever see you guys talking, or yun na yung closure?
I'm not really looking for things like that. I mean, for me, closure is to stop talking about it. And yeah, I appreciate sometimes how people hindi na nila masyadong inuungkat, although alam kong gusto nilang ungkatin. Pero na-appreciate yung hindi na nila masyadong inuungkat kasi yun ang nakakatulong talaga to get past this.
Okay, we'll leave it at the tell-all.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you. Naka 7 takes kayo.